Judy Ann Santos, a household name in the Philippines, has captivated audiences for decades with her incredible talent and charisma. She is a woman of many talents, seamlessly transitioning from one role to another. She is a celebrated actress, known for her powerful performances in numerous films and television shows. Her acting prowess has earned her numerous awards and accolades, making her one of the most respected figures in the entertainment industry. But her passion for food adds another layer to her multifaceted persona. This passion led her to host her own cooking show, Judy Ann's Kitchen, where she shares her love for cooking with her fans. The show is not just about recipes, it's about the joy of creating something delicious and sharing it with loved ones. It became a beloved program in the Philippines. Viewers tuned in to watch her prepare delicious dishes, often inspired by traditional Filipino cuisine. Her show brought families together as they gathered around the TV to watch her cook and learn new recipes. They loved her warm and approachable personality, which made her feel like a friend, inviting them into her kitchen. Beyond the screen, Judy Ann's culinary journey extended to Angry Dobo, a restaurant she co-owns with her husband. This successful food business is a testament to her love for Filipino cuisine. Angry Dobo has become a popular dining destination known for its delicious and hearty dishes that reflect the rich culinary heritage of the Philippines. It showcases her culinary skills, delighting customers with her flavorful dishes. With every endeavor, Judy Ann embraced her role as an ambassador for Filipino food, promoting it both locally and internationally. Her dedication to her craft is evident. She pours her heart into every dish she creates, ensuring that each one is a masterpiece. Her attention to detail and commitment to quality have earned her a loyal following of food enthusiasts. Her food is a testament to her Filipino heritage, a celebration of the rich and diverse flavors of her homeland. She takes pride in using fresh, local ingredients and traditional cooking techniques to create dishes that are both authentic and innovative. Through her cooking, Judy Ann Santos continues to inspire and delight, bringing the vibrant flavors of the Philippines to the world. Her journey is a beautiful blend of artistry and passion, making her a true culinary star. The culinary world was abuzz with excitement. The air was thick with anticipation as food enthusiasts and culinary experts alike gathered for an event that promised to be nothing short of spectacular. Renowned chef Gordon Ramsay embarked on a gastronomic journey to the Philippines. Known for his fiery personality and exceptional culinary skills, Ramsay was on a mission to explore and celebrate the rich culinary traditions of this vibrant country. His visit was not just a celebration of food, it was a unique opportunity to collaborate with Filipino culinary stars. This was a chance for cross-cultural exchange, where techniques and flavors from different parts of the world would come together in harmony. Among them was the esteemed actress and chef Judy Ann Santos. Known for her versatility and passion for cooking, Judy Ann brought a unique flair to the collaboration, blending her acting prowess with her culinary expertise. Ramsay, known for his fiery personality and exceptional culinary skills, joined forces with a prestigious lineup of Filipino chefs. This collaboration was more than just cooking. It was about learning, sharing, and growing together as culinary artists. The esteemed group included Ninong Ry, Chef Sau del Rosario, and Chef Tatung. Each of these chefs brought their own unique style and expertise, making the collaboration a melting pot of culinary brilliance. Each chef brought their own expertise and passion to the table. Their dedication to their craft was evident in every dish they prepared, showcasing the depth and diversity of Filipino cuisine. The stage was set for a memorable culinary exchange. The atmosphere was electric as chefs from different backgrounds came together to create something truly special. This collaboration was a testament to the growing global recognition of Filipino cuisine. It was a celebration of the rich flavors and traditions that make Filipino food so unique and beloved around the world. It highlighted the rich culinary traditions of the Philippines. From traditional dishes to innovative creations, the event showcased the best of what Filipino cuisine has to offer. The world eagerly awaited the outcome of this extraordinary culinary fusion. As the event drew to a close, it was clear that this meeting of culinary titans had left a lasting impact on everyone involved. The idea for this culinary summit was sparked by a shared passion for food. It all began with a simple conversation among chefs who were eager to push the boundaries of their culinary expertise. They envisioned a platform where diverse flavors and techniques could come together, creating something truly extraordinary. Gordon Ramsay, with his global platform, was eager to explore the diverse flavors of Filipino cuisine. Known for his relentless pursuit of culinary excellence, Ramsay saw an opportunity to delve into the rich and varied food culture of the Philippines. His excitement was palpable as he mapped out his journey, eager to discover new ingredients and cooking methods. He recognized the culinary talent that thrived in the Philippines. The vibrant kitchens, bustling with activity, showcased the skill and creativity of Filipino chefs. Ramsay was particularly impressed by their ability to blend traditional flavors with modern techniques, creating dishes that were both innovative and deeply rooted in heritage. This led him to connect with Filipino chefs who were equally eager to share their heritage. The mutual respect and admiration between Ramsay and the local chefs laid the foundation for a fruitful collaboration. They were united by a common goal: to celebrate and elevate Filipino cuisine on the global stage. Judy Ann Santos, with her own culinary journey, was a natural choice for this collaboration. Her deep understanding of Filipino flavors and her innovative approach to cooking made her an invaluable partner. Together with Ramsay, she aimed to create a culinary experience that would captivate audiences worldwide. Her passion for Filipino food, combined with her celebrity status, made her an ideal ambassador. Santos's ability to connect with people through her cooking was unparalleled. She brought a sense of warmth and authenticity to the collaboration, making it more than just a culinary event, but a celebration of culture and community. She had the platform to introduce Filipino cuisine to a wider audience. Through her cooking shows and public appearances, Santos had already garnered a loyal following. This collaboration with Ramsay provided an even larger stage to showcase the rich culinary traditions of the Philippines. This gathering of culinary masters was a celebration of cultural exchange. Chefs from different backgrounds came together, each bringing their unique perspectives and techniques. It was a melting pot of ideas where the exchange of knowledge and skills led to the creation of truly innovative dishes. It provided a unique opportunity for these chefs to learn from each other. The collaborative environment fostered creativity and experimentation. Chefs shared their recipes, cooking tips, and personal stories, enriching each other's culinary journeys. They explored the nuances of different cooking styles and techniques. From traditional methods to modern innovations, the chefs delved into the intricacies of their craft. This exchange of techniques not only enhanced their skills, but also deepened their appreciation for each other's culinary heritage. It was a melting pot of culinary ideas. The summit culminated in a grand feast where the chefs showcased their collaborative creations. It was a testament to the power of culinary collaboration, where diverse flavors and techniques came together to create something truly extraordinary. The event itself was a vibrant spectacle of Filipino cuisine. Each chef meticulously crafted a dish that showcased the best of Filipino flavors. The air was thick with anticipation as they presented their creations. Judy Ann Santos, radiating warmth and confidence, prepared a dish that was close to her heart. She chose to showcase adobo. This beloved Filipino dish, with its rich history and complex flavors, was a perfect representation of Filipino culinary heritage. Her adobo, a harmonious blend of savory, tangy, and salty notes, was a testament to her culinary skills. She used fresh, locally sourced ingredients to create a dish that was both traditional and innovative. It was a true celebration of Filipino flavors. All eyes were on Gordon Ramsay as he approached Judy Ann Santos' station. He was eager to sample her adobo. The tension in the air was palpable. Ramsay, known for his direct and often critical feedback, took his first bite. A hush fell over the room. Everyone waited for his verdict. A slow smile spread across Ramsay's face. His eyes lit up with delight. He nodded approvingly, savoring the complex flavors of Judy Ann's adobo. "This is absolutely delicious," Ramsay declared, his voice filled with genuine appreciation. "The balance of flavors is spot on. The pork is incredibly tender." His words were met with a wave of relief and joy from Judy Ann and the other Filipino chefs.